What's up guys, today I'm going to be unboxing this new timer that I just got. Okay, so I've got the timer right here, open this, and here's the timer. I'm just take it out of this, and here it is. It's my first Stackmat timer. Feels nice. Yeah. Remove before use. Okay. So yeah, I guess this is just the timer. Never had a Stackmat timer. This is my first one again. So yeah, I can practice for competitions on this now. Also, I'm pretty sure that you can connect this to your computer. I'm probably just gonna connect it on CS timer from right here. I don't think I have a jack that goes in here though, so I'm gonna have to get one. Okay, so let's turn this on, and okay, so let's test this out with solve. So I'm just gonna do this hand scramble right here. Just a hand scramble. Can't see in my camera. No. Okay, that's horrible time. It's not even my main. So, yeah, I think you can save your times here too. And yeah, there it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is a pretty good timer. I think it's the newest one that there is. And I just used this one recently, a few months back, in my competition. So yeah, I'm just gonna be using this, practicing on it for future competitions, for online competitions. Okay, so it's been like a day since I've had this timer, and I actually like it a lot. And I took the plastic off. I didn't realize I had plastic on, so yeah. So this timer cost around $30, and I don't know if it's worth it or not, because that is pretty expensive for just this timer right here. But you can just connect it to your computer, and so yeah, I don't know, but I just really like this timer, so yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one.